Abraham Lincoln. Who is this person? Ayyo.
Yes,
American
President,
president.
American president, ex-American president, right? He did some decision. He signed on one GO, one rule. Then immediately the next subordinate, by seeing that, he used it somewhere with his colleague. Array, Abraham Lincoln is the very worst to satisfy opposition parties. He signed on this. But how many people are going to get affected with this? Such a type of worst person, our Abraham Lincoln, like this person used that word by saying that Jivo. Then some way it reached to the Abraham Lincoln. Sir, so and so person used this word about you, about regarding that Jivo, like observe very carefully, dosto. What is the response from Abraham Lincoln is, oh, that person used the word, it may be correct. It may be correct. I will check with him. It may be correct. I will check with him. Like he sat with that employee, with that officer, saying, okay, so am I took any wrong decision related to this? What is about your opinion on this? Like directly this person told, yes, because of this GO, opposition parties are going to get benefited, not public. It's against to the public. He explained what the problem he identified in this GO. Then believe me, Abraham Lincoln, what he did is, okay, he took that GO back. He cancelled that GO. We have to do such type of level, man, being American president. Have you observed, right? That's why in the history, those names are permanent. You have to create environment that feedback. Give the feedback. Take the feedback.